Ladies and gentlemen, guten Morgen. Welcome to Munich. Welcome to Innovative Data Infrastructure Forum. My topic today is inspiring innovation to drive industry digital transformation. Last year, our government and enterprise businesses revenue was about $19 billion, increasing 30%. And our storage business revenue was $3.3 billion, increasing by 33% outside China. So thank you all for your trust and support. Huawei's strategy for government and enterprise is to focus on 3 markets. In the NA market, we will focus on about 10,000 customers around the world and cooperate with partners on setting benchmarks and promoting applications to achieve continuous growth together with our customers. In the commercial market, we must build a partner-led operating system and cooperate with partners to cover millions of enterprises. For distribution business, we shall develop independent brand and products, and we will establish a healthy and organized channel system to cover 100 million of customers. For customers in these 3 markets, we have developed industry-specific technology and solutions, and continue to innovate based on high-value customer scenarios. Up to now, we have established 9 industry teams and identified more than 100 high-value scenarios, like medical imaging centers, mobile financing, and digital cities. And we will continue to develop industry solutions based on these solutions. Centering on industry solutions, we focus on transmission, computing, storage infrastructure, and digital cloud platform to drive industry transformation. Applications and terminals are mainly provided by our partners. We use Net 5.5G and F5.5G to improve the data transmission rate by 10 times. Additionally, based on innovation on authentic computing, the computing power is improved by 10 times. Moreover, Ocean Store Dorado, Ocean Store Pacific, Ocean Protect, and Fusion Cube are used to improve storage power by 10 times. Huawei's digital cloud platform supports application, data, and AI enablement. So, how do our storage technologies help customers resolve these pain points in digital transformation? Next, let's take a look at some examples. The changes in the service scenarios are creating large amounts of the new data. For example, in healthcare, in the past, the data makes up of the patient records and users' information. But now, the data is mainly CT imaging and gene secrecy data. Similarly, in financing, the data used to be user accounts and transaction records. Now, the data imaging and video identification become the main data. Enterprises data is changed from structured data to unstructured data. So the data amount of the data has increased greatly from 1.2 letabyte in 2010 to 1 yottabyte in 2030, increasing by 1,000 times. This brings huge challenges for data storage. Let's look at the healthcare industry. You know, globally, about 10 million newborns are born with a birth defect every year. And the ultrasound scans can detect some types of the birth defect. However, over 20% of them cannot be detected, such as inborn heart disease. For these cases, gene secrecy analysis can make up for the shortcomings of ultrasound scan. 20 years ago, the first homing gene secrecy cost $3 billion US. Thanks to the development of science and technology. Now it just costs $100 US. In West China Hospital, in my hometown of Chengdu City, gene secrecy produces 20 PB of data every year. Storage of large data becomes a huge challenge. In addition, a whole gene secrecy takes 24 hours, which results in poor patient experiences. Huawei's Ocean Store Pacific storage system uses innovative technologies, such as the hardware design and software protocol, which can increase the equivalent capacity by 3.6 times. Additionally, based on software optimization, gene analysis time can be reduced from 24 hours to 7 minutes. Industry digitalization brings more and more apps in the financing industry. Customers used to rely on counter services, but now transactions such as transfers and loans can be done through apps. In the government industry, people can get most of public services through an app. With the number of users rising, apps have to provide better personalization, self-services, and social interaction. How to quickly launch apps to meet customers' requirements has become a huge challenge for government and enterprises. Let's take the banking industry as an example. CIMB Bank, Philippines, services 6 million users. Guess how many branches it has? The answer is 0. Now, mobile banking apps are key for banks. And a lot of the banks have launched mobile apps for different user groups, like seniors and young people. Some banks even offer AI-based options. However, for most of the bankers, the app developers are limited. How to quickly release versions for different users is a critical issue today. Let's take the banking of Beijing as an example. Its development team has only 100 employees, but they need to release over 100 versions and optimize more than 2,000 pages every year. How did they do all of this? The key is a microserver-based development. To use microserver services, storage system must support containers. Huawei's container storage is fully compatible with the mainstream container platform. And with our OceanFS scale-out file system, the provisioning efficiency is 100% higher than other companies. In addition, our storage supports the industry highest 7 nines reliability. As the industry goes digital, data has become the core resource. So we need to build a new readiness-centered data. In the past, enterprises needed to build a disaster recovery system to deal with physical damage like hardware breakdown. But now, enterprises need to enhance their readiness against malicious attacks. Averagely in 2021, enterprise was attacked by ransomware every 11 seconds. With a cost, and it takes 6 days to recover data, with a cost of $1.85 million. In 2021, a large-scale oil company was attacked by ransomware. Its operation suspended for 5 days. The issue was resolved after the company paid $5 million. To ensure the data readiness, the DID model recommends building defense across the multiple layers, including host, network, application, and storage layers. Huawei data storage is combined with network solutions to form a 2 lines and 6 layers robust system. At the network layer, Huawei can build situational awareness, firewall, and sandbox. At the storage layer, Huawei Ocean Cyber uses machine learning algorithms to identify ransomware with an accuracy of 99.9%. In addition, together with technologies like circuit slab swaps, it can ensure a clean copy of data for all the time. Ladies and gentlemen, understanding variation is the key to success in quality and our industry customers' business. Centering industry scenarios, Huawei innovative storage products and solutions will help customers embrace new data, new application, and new readiness. From the perspective of the ICT infrastructure, focusing on high-value industry and scenarios, Huawei will be committed to innovate transmission, computing, storage infrastructure, and digital cloud platform, addressing customers' scenario pain points and help customers accelerate digital transformation. Thank you for your listening. Thank you very much. Enjoy the journey in Munich. Vielen Dank.